Hey everyone, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the second in a series of 4 watercolor floral tutorials that I'm doing that are all Disney princess inspired. Today's video is Cinderella. I asked everyone over on Instagram to send me their votes, and Cinderella had the most votes. She's everyone's favorite, and she's one of my favorites too. I remember when I was little, I rotated between Cinderella and Mary Poppins, and my parents were so sick of them, but I still love them. I also have Cinderella memorized, but that really shouldn't be surprising to anyone who knows me and knows what a huge Disney fan I am. I took inspiration from Cinderella's blue gown for my roses, and I tried to stick with an all blue palette. I also wanted to keep these roses very soft and light because Cinderella's dress is also very soft and very light. I'm using a round size 8 brush and a mix of Winsor, Newton, and Daniel Smith professional watercolor paint. I'll have all the colors and supplies I'm using linked down in the description box below so you can check them out. To paint the roses, I've started in the center and then I've made these oblong strokes going around the center, gradually making my strokes thicker by pushing down harder with the brush. You'll notice that I'm not refilling my brush with paint, and I'm really letting the centers be the darkest part of the rose. Now that I've got these roses in place, I'm adding in some tiny blue filler flowers. I'm keeping these really close to my roses so that they'll feel part of the arrangement. Next, I've mixed this dark green and added a lot of water to lighten it up. I wanted the blue to really be the focus of this piece. I'm painting the leaves so that they kind of frame the center oval. I'll just continue to paint the leaves until the arrangement feels done, but I want to leave enough white space for the words. Now I'm going in with this pale gold to add some final details to my flowers. This gold is just going to be in tiny little sprigs, and I'm just adding these in where there's a little extra room. I'm not really worried about adding them everywhere, but just enough that they help fill in the space. Now that my roses are completely dry, I'm going to go right over the top with that same blue I used earlier to darken the centers and help them pop. For the lettering, I'm using a Tombow dual brush pen, and the quote comes from the newer live-action Cinderella. I smudged the word courage a bit, but I decided to just let it stay because I can always clean that up later in Photoshop if I were to make this into a print. I hope you liked this video. If you are enjoying the Disney Princess series, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I post a new watercolor video. In my next video, I'll be painting some tropical flowers inspired by The Little Mermaid. Thanks again for watching. Bye!